Welcome to the online session in signals and system. In last few sessions we discussed about convolution, especially doing problems in convolution integral, which is a continuous. In this session we will discuss about convolution sum, that is doing convolution problem in discrete domain. We call it as convolution sum because it is dealing with summation. Let us consider a discrete signal u of n, impulse response u of n minus 3. Find y of n. I want to find the convolution. All preliminary issues are same, like how we did in continuous, we are going to do in discrete. For example, if I give x of n, you should convert to x of k. Can you please recall? You did there tau. Here the dummy variable is k. If you want any variable you can take. There is no rules that it should be only k. It's left us. H of n should be converted to h of k. Then it should be converted to h of minus k. Then it should be converted to h of minus k plus n. And this is your fixed signal. This is your moving signal. The same concept. There is no change in the concept. The main variable is t. Here it is n. Dummy variable there it is tau. Here it is k. Let us start with the preliminary work. Let us sketch the signal. What is x of n? It is u of n, discrete. So let us do it. Dot 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 up to infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Amplitude is 1. Let us do h of n. Right shifted n minus 3. We start from 3, 4, 5, 6. Amplitude is 1. And this is your h of n. Now what is our usual procedure? Instead of n, if you put a k, it will become x of k. But my general advice here, whenever you do convolution problem, especially in discrete, we do have a habit of writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the values, because in discrete. But my personal suggestion here, maintain only the first time location, because when we do convolution that will create a confusion. 0, let it be. Here who is the first location? 3. In case if there is a last location, maintain that. Right now in this problem the last location is infinity. No need to maintain. Right now the first location, yes, 3. Maintain. Don't need to have all the locations. Now time consuming, okay. If n become k, this will become x of k. Here also if n become k, this will become h of k. Now as per our procedure, what is next? H of minus k, which is the reflection. H of minus k, it is just reflected, which goes to negative side. Dot dot dot. 3 become minus 3. I told you only one value maintain, especially the first value and last value. Let us do the generalized sketch. What is the generalized sketch? Dot dot dot, whose amplitude? H of minus k, the value is ready, which is k axis. There add t, am I right? Here it is add n. Whatever the value, add n. That's all enough. So this is your fixed sketch. This is your moving sketch. With these two sketches, let us start our convolution. What is the fixed sketch? Let us do. Location is 0. Let us go for moving sketch, preferably where we used to discuss. Yeah, good. Let's. Because basic movement is from minus infinity to plus infinity. That is the reason I told left side. -3 plus 8. amplitude is 1. Please don't forget, this is your k axis. With this preliminary work, we can start our conclusion. The basic concepts are one and the same. Right now, starts from 0 going up to infinity. Starts from -3 plane going up to -3 minus infinity. It's not overlapping because it is this side. So what is the amplitude? If you multiply, it will be 0. From where? Minus infinity less than or equal to n less than or equal to up to where? If this signal crosses 0, it starts overlapping. Am I right? It should not cross 0. It should touch 0. Up to there is no overlapping. So what is that value I should take? If this value touches here, what should be the n value? Come on, -3 plus 3 should become 0. What should be the value? 3. Very good. So it is -3 plus 3 is 0. Now a small critical issue is there. The same like our continuous, up to this touching it is 0. Now let me just explain that. What is that value you are going to substitute? 3. If you put 3 minus 3 is 0. Under that situation, this red color signal will come and touch here. Am I right? It touches. Now what is the beauty here? If you multiply, it is not 0. In this location 1 into 1 answer exists. That is the one small issue in discrete. So what is my advice here? It should touch or slightly before, one step before. Good, one step before. It should not touch. If it touch, it is not 0. It will be next value 1. Am I right? It should not touch. It is one step before. So answer me. This signal amplitude is 0. This signal amplitude is 0. From where? Minus infinity. Up to where? Is it 3 or one step before? One step before. That is nothing but 2. Am I right? So my advice here, make it as 2, or in simple, remove this equal to symbol. More than enough. So when we do problem, make sure that the second term is not less than or equal to, is just less than. Because if it is equal to, you are including 3. If you include 3, it will touch. This is one major concept. Next, it has to cross 0. Let us go to the next sketch. 0, amplitude is 1. It's crossing 0. Where? It should cross 0. It can be here, or it can be here, or it can be here, or anywhere. But don't draw in between, because in between discrete values undefined. Dot dot. -3 plus here. So it has crossed. Is it overlapping? Yes. Where? Not before 0, because only red color. Amplitude will be 0. Not after 3. What is the common place? Just recall like our continuity. Is it the common place? Yes. Now, it is not integration. Good. It is summation, because it is discrete. Now, what is X signal? 1. What is H signal? 1. Where to where the common area? The K varies from, because it is K axis, okay? Varies from 0 to -3 plus n. Now what is this answer? Summation K equal to 0 to n minus 3, 1. Answer is the basic formula in our discrete. Upper limit plus 1. Answer is n minus 2. Can you please recall? Summation K equal to 0 to P 1. Answer will be P plus 1. Because P to 0 you are going to add. Total P plus 1 is there. Answer will be P plus 1. How you should recall? Upper limit plus 1. So answer is D. So this is your n minus 2. How long this answer will be there? Up to infinity. Am I right? Dot dot dots. This side also dot dot dot. So what is that range? Next. From where? Touching 3 up to where? Infinity. Am I right? I told you less than or equal to don't put, but one basic concept, infinity don't bring, let it be equal to, because infinity minus 1 is infinity. Okay, there it won't affect. If that is a number, try to remove this. Okay. So what is the final conclusion? Y of n is equal to, what is the final conclusion? 0 minus infinity less than or equal to n less than 3. Next, n minus 2, 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to infinity. This is the final sketch. Make a note of this. Let us do another problem, which is a rectangular with a rectangular signal. Let us sketch the first problem. You should do u of n, then you should do u of n minus 4, then you subtract and get the signal. Let me draw directly. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the result. You just try yourself where to. Now I gave advice, you remember. Write only the first value and the last value. If last value is infinity, leave it. Right now it is available. So don't do in between. What about next sketch? This will be minus 3 and up to 0. Whose amplitude is? So if it is n, it is x of n. If it is k, it is x of k. If it is k, it is h of k. That is the issue. Next, let us do reflection. If you do reflection, what is h of minus k? Right side goes left side, it will be like this. 0 to 3, whose amplitude is 1. Next, let us do generalized sketch. What is generalized sketch? I am repeatedly saying, don't write all value. First value and last value enough. Add n, am I right? Add n, add n, add n. If you add n, what is 0 plus n? Let it be n. Now, this is your fixed sketch. This is your moving sketch. But when I was doing convolution integral, I told you one important advice. Careful with the gap. If it is bigger, draw bigger. If it is smaller, draw smaller. What is the gap here? 0 to 3. Gap is 3. What is the gap here? Again 0 to 3 only. So the gap is 3. Now this problem is equal gap problem. Careful. So when the equal gap problem, whenever you draw the signal, make sure that both are equal. No need to count. Please remember. I know starting value, I know ending value. Don't try to count 1, 2, that many signals. Just it is a reference I made. If I give 0 to 10, you are going to draw 10 values. No need. 0, 10, enough. Don't unnecessarily give all the diagrams here. Now I am going to draw the moving signal, preferably this way. Only one piece of suggestion: maintain the same gap, because this problem is okay. See, that's all. More than enough. Remaining all, the problem will take care automatically. With this, we can start our convolution. Right now, is it overlapping? No. Answer is 0. From where? Push it back. Minus infinity. Less than or equal to n. Careful. Less than. I give the important tips. This should touch here. Am I right? 3 plus n touches 0. Answer will be minus 3. But less than. Okay. Next, careful with the diagram. Make sure that the gap is equal. That is the important piece of advice. 3 plus n will cross 0. Am I right? Now what is the common place? 0 to 3 plus n is the common place. Before doing the calculation, I would like to do the next work. 3 plus 1 crosses 0. Am I right? Crossed. What is the next sketch? 3 plus n should cross 3 or n should cross 0 because it is moving, you know. This will cross or this will cross. Both will cross because equal gap. Can you remember? Equal gap. This is going when this front end is crossing, back also will cross, you see. He is also crossing, he is also crossing. Okay, that is the speciality with the equal gap. So, when I draw the next sketch, make sure that both are crossing. So, 3 plus n is crossing. At the same time, he will also cross. One more sketch is there. Good. There is no more crossing here. Okay, this n has to cross 3. Okay, that will, if the answer is 0, that you will see it. Now, is it overlapping? Yes. What is the common place? Summation k is equal to, what is the value where? 0 to 3 plus n. Both amplitudes are 1, 1 into 1. Where to where is the next question. So, if it starting point is here, minus 3 less than or equal to n less than, careful, 3 plus n should touch 3 or n should touch 0, because both when you move, that is the next stage of amplitude. He should touch or he should touch. Since it is equal gap, both will touch. 3 plus n touch 3 means answer will be 0. Or if you want to take this, n is touching 0, answer will be 0. What should be the n value so that it will touch here? 0. Now let us go to the same work here. Equal to summation x amplitude 1, h amplitude 1, 1 into 1, 1. What should be the limit? Common place. This is the common place that you should visualize. That is the talent here. N to 3. Yes. So we are ready. Where to where? So it should touch here. I told one basic thumb rule. 0 less than or equal to n less than. N should touch 3. Answer will be 3. Still one more sketch is there. Good. 3, 0. What about next? This n should cross 3. Am I right? Which is signal is going out. 3 plus n. Is it any overlapping here? No. Answer is 0. Where to where? This starting point is 3. Up to where? Infinity. Since it is infinity, I can put it. So this is the overall sketch. Now hereafter only the calculation. So what about calculation here? Since the lower limit is 0, upper limit plus 1, answer will be n plus 4. The lower limit has to be 0 as per my basic mathematical formula. But I don't have here. I should make it as 0. Simple maths. Just put this side. K minus n. Make it as a new variable. Some other variable. Let us say L. Now try to answer me. The existing lower limit is n. The existing upper limit is 3. I need a modified variable for L. Put n here, n minus n, 0. Put k is equal to 3 here, answer will be 3 minus n. This is the modified new limit. Now, I can rewrite this formula as L varies from 0 to 3 minus n 1. Why I should do this? Because I need lower limit to be 0. I don't have 0. This is the basic requirement in maths. What is the final answer? Upper limit plus 1. Answer will be 4 minus n. And here what is the answer? 0. Now let us conclude the problem. What is the answer? Y of n is equal to, there are 4 amplitudes. 0, minus infinity less than or equal to n less than or minus 3. Just less than. Okay. What about the next? N plus 4. Where minus 3 less than or equal to n less than, up to where? Here, 0. What about the next answer? 4 minus n. 0 less than or equal to n less than. What about here? 3. What is the next answer? 0. 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to, because infinity not issue. This is your final result. Make a note of this. Let us do still more problem in the next session. Thank you.